Hello everyone, Andy here, hope you're having a good day. So I thought I'll do something a little bit different than just doing my current drone videos which I've been doing, which is very much filming with the drone and not doing much of a sort of a vlog B-roll to it. But I'm going to look at the FPV, which is the kind of first person view that you can actually do with the Mavic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a recording on my screen, on my phone, and show you how to access this feature. And then what I'll do is I'll just gonna sort of fly around a little bit, kind of just of my local area. It's nice blue sky, so just thought it's quite sunny. Good time to sort of test out this feature. So what happens is with the FPV mode, instead of the drone at the moment, when you turn the camera, if you can see that on the camera, stays the gimbal keeps the camera in kind of that position the whole time. Whereas with the FPV mode, the camera tilts with the drone. Now, if you haven't seen my latest videos, please have a look. Click on the videos tab and see I've done some really nice videos of when we did our holiday in the Canary Islands and we stopped off at Spain. I've got another one to do, so that'll probably come later than this video. And last night I filmed for the very first time with the drone, with any drone, at night. It's a fireworks display that we had locally, so go and check out that as well. Something that I have in my description is a donation, so if you wish to donate to my channel to aid me in the progression, try and develop faster, to try and keep up, I'm a very small channel, to try and keep up with the big ones, any donation, just a one-off donation, is brilliant, so thank you if you do. But if you want to do that, then there is a link in the description, and also I'm going to show you now a little screenshot of on the header of my YouTube channel. There is a little icon that you can click and that just takes you straight to it. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to set up the drone, we're going to fly off. Hope you've been enjoying my content recently. Please comment below if you have, and if you haven't and you're new to my channel, have a look through, see if you like it, and if you are new, please subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Okay, so I've done enough talking now. Let's set up the drone, get up in the air, test this new little feature and see what the footage looks like. Thank you all for watching and see you again soon. Bye. Okay everyone, so I've set up the drone, I've calibrated it, and now I just thought I'll do a screen recording and I will show you what it looks like from my point of view, how to set up the FPV. So what you do is you click on the little three dots in the top right hand corner, you come down here to the gimbal / the kind of camera settings. It says gimbal mode. Now we've got it on FPV, follow. That is how you choose between. Follow is when the gimbal is at its like standard setting where it will keep it nice and steady and smooth, and if you change to the FPV, that is how it will give you that kind of bird's eye view of the gimbal will move with the drone. So now we've got that set, let's get the drone up in the air and see what it looks like.